Very brief but friendly interpretation, but hungry for information, Mr. President, about the bill. So our bill declares the province of Pampanga as the culinary capital of the Philippines in recognition of its contribution to the dynamic and rich culinary history of the country. So, if this bill becomes law, Pampanga will now have the title, the culinary capital of the Philippines. But will this law prevent other regions or LGUs or places in our country from aspiring to be also designated as some food or culinary center or hotspot of the Philippines?
No, it does not prevent any other areas, any municipalities, provinces from declaring, from honoring their own culinary history. But I think this is, so it does not diminish, this bill that in no way diminishes the culinary excellence or culture of other areas. But of course this bill is, the intention of this bill is to honor the culinary excellence, which I think we can all agree here, the culinary excellence of Pampanga, which we know for its, which is well known for its food. I'm sure everyone here knows that very well. At the same time, I think this bill is needed so we can honor this legacy, and it will help a great deal also in the promotion of their tourism. So for me, it does not diminish in any way the cultural, the culinary culture of other areas. It merely seeks to promote and of course honor the culinary history and the culinary contribution of Pampanga.
Yes, with that clarification, Mr. President, that this is not an exclusive title, that Pampanga will not monopolize any culinary related, food-related titles by other areas. I have been clarified, Mr. President. So I fully support this bill of Senator Lito Lapid, Mr. President, because we also, there is also some samples there in our lounge, Mr. President. So our senses, especially our sense of taste, confirm the dynamic and rich culinary history of the province of Pampanga. And so we thank whoever provided us with the Kapampangan dishes in the Senator's Lounge. We thank them for, this is parang ito, this is hindi lang po ito, para tayong this is a 3D experience eh. Hindi lang ito, we're not just talking about it, we're also tasting it or living it out, Mr. President. So maraming salamat po to our sponsor for the patience of our sponsor. And we welcome, for the record, we welcome former President Gloria Macapagal, who is also, yes, the former President is there in our lounge also partaking of the delicious Kapampangan dishes there, Mr. President. Thank you.
Mr. President, Senator Villanueva is in the floor and I will not be recognized. Senator Villanueva is recognized.
Mr. President, this is not to ask further questions on this particular measure that we are deliberating upon, but we just wanted to put into the records of this August chamber that despite the fact that there are so many Bulacan delicacies and dishes that we are very proud of, we also feel that when you talk about the culinary aspect of cuisine, we definitely take into account the prowess and the popularity of Kapampangan culinary, and as being attested by so many members of this August chamber the past few days in the Senate lounge. I would just like to put into the records our sincerest thanks and gratitude to our neighbor province, the great province of Pampanga, for also giving us the opportunity, Mr. President, na yung dishes po nila, yung cuisine nila, na i-share po doon sa katabing lalawigan, sa dakilang lalawigan ng Bulacan. Kaya tayo po ay sumusuporta sa panukalang Baltasesa. Maraming salamat, Ginoong Pangulo, at kinukongratulate po natin ang mga authors ng panukalang ito, Mr. President. Thank you.
Thank you, Senator Villanueva. Mr. President, next is Senator Juan Miguel Zubiri. I see the floor. Senator Zubiri, recognized.
Thank you very much, Mr. President. Thank you very much, Majority Leader. Mr. President, mine is a manifestation of support because I just want to read a verbatim text message last Saturday, November 16, by, as most of you know him as Kulas. We made him a Filipino citizen, becoming Filipino. Ninong Senlix, what was the restaurant in Pampanga with the good food? I remember that you kept mentioning about how great the food was in Pampanga. So I gave him the name. It's the name of the restaurant is called Binulo. Sarap yun. Kasi dahil sarap ng kanilang buro. Meron na pa sa Tagaytay? Mas swerte mo. Napakaswerte mo. Pero aside from Binulo, there are hundreds of amazing culinary experiences that you can visit in Pampanga. I'm a big fan. You know, my family is originally from Negros Occidental. We moved to Bukidnon, but I know Negros as its also all share of very good food. We all know Iloilo has a share of good food. Region 6, now it's NIR Region 6. Mindanao also has some claim to fame on some of the food in certain areas of Mindanao, in Zamboanga, in Davao, in northern Mindanao. Pero nothing really beats the original, which is Pampanga cuisine. Kaya, without a doubt, Mr. President, this is a timely measure, and I fully support this. As a matter of fact, I can count many pounds